Prime time ni Enrique Hill and of course Liza Soberano. Makakasama po natin ang main cast tonight. But before that, let me just say thank you sa ating mga sponsors for making this possible. Thank you, Ever Bilena. Sorry, Kes. We get to meet, I think this is an Italian actor. Ayan. Please welcome Miss Sherry Hill and Ruben Maria. Sorry, Kes. I hope I mentioned it right. Sorry. Okay, ayan. Sige. Miss Sherry, please join us here. Okay. Wow, ito talaga namang legit sa kanyang role dito, and of course a true blue we'll find out about her role here. Can we get a mic for Miss Sherry to greet everyone? Ayan. Miss Sherry, photo op muna in the center and then greet everyone. Wow, ang saya.
Good evening, everybody. Nice to see all familiar faces in a familiar home. Nice to be back on ABS.
Welcome back, Miss Sherry.
Thank you and welcome for being here.
Yeah. Hey, thank you, Miss Sherry. And now, did I say it right? Ruben?
Soriza.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Ruben Soriza.
Ruben Soriza. Okay. Next na, Miss Joanne. Okay, next naman po. That's a call-in. Miss Sunshine Cruz and Andrew E. Kakaibang casting po ito. It should be, can we, guide Miss Sherry where she can sit down? I think it has.
Yeah, but this is Cherry. Anybody here named Cherry?
Cherry!
Anybody wants to take this seat? After all, I have to make a point to make a correction, di ba? Ang tagal-tagal ko na sa industriya, ngayon Cherry pa rin pangalan.
I know!
Kasalanan kasi ni Pai.
Oo nga, Sherry Pai and Sherry Hill. Okay, can we give way now to Miss Sunshine Cruz and Andrew E? Of course, we are celebrating here in ABS-CBN the FEBIBIG. You may use the hashtag FEBIBIGwins. Okay, next naman po. Wow, nakakatawa, he's back sa teleserye. Mr. Kian Cipriano. Miss Shine at saka Andrew, photo op please. Here sa gitna. Ayan, later on na sila babate pag nakasit down na sila. Wow, ang pagbabalik ni Miss Sunshine Cruz and ang pambansang Andrew E. Okay, pwede lang umupo si Miss Sunshine and Andrew. Ayan. Okay, ayan, right beside Miss Sherry and Andrew should be one of those po. Oh, sa taas daw po, ayan. Okay, can we add like Kian Cipriano? Hi, Kian. Ay, dito. Ang fresh naman. Bagets na bagets. Kian, now here at the center, please.
Hey, how are you guys?
Hello!
I know. Mukhang kanina lang kayo magkasama. Now together.
Picture lang.
Center daw, Kian, for the photo op. Okay, next naman. That's a call-in. Mr. Bobot Mortiz and Miss Rio Locsin. Okay, our hashtag is Dolce Amore Grand Presscon. We have a free Wi-Fi. Ayan, padaanin natin si Direk Bobot. Tsaka the beautiful Miss Rio Locsin. Okay, next naman, let's call in. This could be his biggest break in primetime teleserye, the one and only Mr. Matteo Guidicelli. Ang taray ng music, parang Hi, Miss Rio. It's indeed FEBIBIG, ayan.
Ma'am, picture lang po.
Photo op, Miss Rio. Ganyan na ganyan. PM.